This short training video is going to show you how to correct the lens of a DJI Phantom Vision drone. And I already have Adobe Photoshop loaded up here, and of course you can do all the normal things you would do with Adobe Photoshop, such as adjust the level of the image in terms of color. You can adjust whatever you want to do at first. In this case, we can play around with the brightness, make it a little bit brighter, darker, and change the contrast. You can do all these things. Once you're done with that and you're ready to change the actual lens profile, you need to have the DJI lens profile downloaded off the internet, which if you Google Phantom Vision FC200 LCP, you should be able to download it somewhere. This needs to be located in your Adobe lens profiles. So inside of this folder are all the different, most of these were preloaded. You may have to create a folder called DJI inside of there. All you need is this one. I think that's the only one I use. And then once it's in that folder, restart Photoshop, open up your photo, and then this time when you go to filter, lens correction, inside of here, if it got the photo directly from the download off of the card of the drone, it'll actually detect the camera model. But if you've shrunk the picture down, like in this case, you won't get the camera model and lens model here. But you can just manually select DJI, and you can already see once I pick all these different things, it already has fixed the horizon from us. You can zoom in, zoom out, do whatever you want to get a better picture of this. If you wanted to, you can actually straighten the picture yourself. Sometimes the horizon is off, so if you just essentially match the horizon with that, it will level it for you using this tool here. So once you're done, you hit OK. It actually fixes the picture from you. Here we can crop it if you want to. Oops. Change the crop size, make it smaller or bigger, make it fit whatever you wanted it to do. Let's see, it looks like it's going too far off the bottom. Oops. Actually, I'm going to clear this and just reset our crop size like this. There we go. So if we wanted to shrink it down, we could crop it, but you can see now it looks much better. You don't have that blurred, the warped horizon. And now you would just save it as a high quality JPEG and you're all done. The next thing I'm going to show you really quickly is just that we can also open videos from here. So I'm going to pick a, actually, just switched it to thumbnail view. I'm going to grab one of these videos here. I'm going to open the video inside of Photoshop, and the first thing you have to do is just create this, convert it to a smart object. So I right clicked on the layer and I said convert to smart object, and now I can do all kinds of fun Photoshop things in it. I go into the, oops, wrong one. Go into filter, select lens correction. Same thing here, I can select DJI, select the camera. Do notice that when you do this, you lose some of the video, so it essentially has to stretch that video image back out so that it fits the full frame. So realize you will lose some of the upper corners of your image as it pulls that out, but then you will have a fully corrected image. Now you can see it looks great in here, and when you're done with the video, you have to go to File, Export, and Render Video. And when you go to render the video, depending on the speed of your computer, I would suggest using H.264. It's good. And then you would pick what frames typically you want to do, the all frames, and then you can just render it out. And let's just call this test render. And you hit render. Depending again on the power of the processor, this may take many, many minutes. It may take many, many hours, especially if you have a video that lasts multiple minutes. Be patient with it. Let it do its work, and when it's done, you should have a fully rendered, corrected drone video. Thanks. This has been Chris Sosnowski from B&W Control Systems Integration. Thanks for watching.